Okay yan. Wow. Very smooth siya, guys. Wow. Galing. Bango. Gusto ko yung bango niya. I like the smell. Ganda niya. Galing. Okay. Day 1. Day 1. Day 1. Alright. Yung ating underarms. Day 1. First try on. So, meron tayong dark spots dito sa gitna. Okay. Dito rin. Meron. Okay. Yung grayish lang. Okay. Yan. Okay. Okay. Yan. Okay. Another one. Okay. No. Hala. Gusto ko yung amoy niya.